Hey folks, Sam here from Refuse Revival. It's a Friday, it's a beautiful day in Candelo, and I've got my buddy Steve out here painting already. How good's that?
Straight into it.
Straight into it. I've actually been in town having a bit of a meeting and a breakfast burrito at the Candelo General Store, top stuff. And you know what, I've also been busy making a title sequence for you this week, so here it is. You guys
found a friend in Sam and his van.
First project this morning has been painting, but we're also having a discussion around the crappy corner. We'll call this crap corner.
Previously rebuilt, I think. We've got dodgy repairs.
It looks like something that I would have done, actually.
Re-engineered.
Yeah, it's definitely a Sam Martin sort of style project. But you can see that it's had some pretty dodgy repairs, and it's had a piece of angle iron going straight in there, which I'd imagine, you know, it has had a stack at some point.
Yeah, that front corner's copped a bit of a wacko.
Yeah, wacko.
Wacko jacko.
Yeah. I've dug up the window frame. It's a little how's your father, Steve?
Is it?
Yeah, it's how's your Mikey Crikey.
Well, that's a rear window, so it's not a full frame.
Yeah, is that an issue for us, do you think?
No.
Good. It seems that I had stripped the southern suppliers of rust converter, ladies and gentlemen, and we're down to the 400 gram spray bottles, and so we'll see how that goes. Steve and I were just thinking that we possibly could have done another day of rusting, grinding before getting to this stage, but the fact is I'm actually going to be away for a few weeks and we want to get it sealed up so that we don't get any more rust.
You can see there, the tannic is reacting and going dark. That's exactly what you're looking for. That's, you know, that had a little bit of light surface rust, but now that's chemically bound to the surface.
We good to go?
1, 2, 3.
Oh. We good?
Yeah, just let it go slow.
Yeah.
Try not to rattle it.
Okay. Where'd it go? Oh. Sorry. I missed that. I nearly got a caravan in me nose.
Well, so just having a wee break, and we're going to put this van back over. See how we go with the tractor on this angle. Oh, sorry buddy. Just, you know what?
We're just getting the paint ready now for spraying, folks, which is super exciting. And I'm using a subframe black. It's a semi-gloss quick drying. I'm hoping that this will come up nice enough for me to actually use in the interior of the van too, because I'm planning for some of the frame to be exposed in the van when we get to that. But like I said, the interior design will be for a video for another day. And what we're doing is just getting paint all over our hands, making a real mess. And then Jacko's going to throw it into his paint gun and we'll get away. We've had to thin this down because we're spraying on by 10%. How'd you go with that?
Oh, 15%.
15%,
I've
okay.
got the P400 stirring stick.
P400.
Paint place.
Excellent. Well, for this kind of gig, I mean, we're really just covering and protecting the chassis, you know. You could spend a lot of time trying to get it really super neat, but at the end of the day,
it all disappears in the walls and the floor and you never see it again.
I'd rather spend my time and energy getting a really nice finish on the stuff you're going to see.
That's
and
it.
Just make sure that the metal is
Protected.
fully protected, yeah, which I think we'll get.
P400 stirring stick, mate, designed to stir. It's just like, look at that. German engineering at its finest.
It's just like you, designed to stir. I just wanted to prove to Steve that you don't even need a Kubota to flip these things over. Look at this. Ready? 2 finger Sam, that's mate.
really well for you, Sam, didn't it? Hey?
I'm glad there was nothing under it. Oh, we got the van back into the workshop.
Back where it all began.
Absolutely. Look at this. And now we just got to level her out a bit. We've got a couple of car stands under the back end there.
I've had a trouser malfunction. Look at that.
Too much hard work happening at Martin Farm, ladies and gents.
This is slow, is it normally that slow? Sounds not quite right, I think. There you go. Tyres are still just off. That's good, Sam. I'll leave that one on there. Yeah, that's a good one.
Anyway, we might just take the whole axle off, I think. Here we go. Now we're going. Could be a dolphin. Oh, listen to it go.
Buy that at an auction, Sam.
Actually, this one I think I got for my birthday. Happy birthday, brand new. It's coming up actually. My birthday. Yeah, we had a good time last year.
It's worth noting, folks, that I actually have put some inox, or yeah, basically a lanolin, I think it was, based lubricant on for Lennox, which helps with getting nuts off bolts, studs.
Tilts it on the angle.
Yeah. On an angle, but dang it. Oh. Good tyre. Happy tyre.
Just knock the split pin out, undo the castle nut, and then get a punch that bolt back through. This whole kit and caboodle will drop out. Do the same on the other end.
Let's get into it.
I know, it's jammed in there, isn't it? Couldn't predict that would happen, could you?
It's a big 50mm axle, huge springs, massive hubs. I think it must be Chevy truck or something. I don't know what they are, but anyway, we'll find out when you go to get the bearings and stuff.
Thanks for signing in, folks, and checking us out, and I hope you enjoyed the title sequence I put in today's video. It's time to pack up tools, finish for a Friday.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.